10 interesting psychology facts. Here are some psychology facts everyone must know. 1. 82% of people would feel more confident approaching an attractive person if they had their dog with them, a survey found. 2. Boanthropy is a psychological disorder where people think they're cows. 3. Living inside of water can make you calmer, happier, and more creative, a study found. 4. If you announce your goals to others, you are less likely to make them happen because you lose motivation. Studies confirmed. 3. Your mind rewrites monotonous speech of boring people to make it sound more interesting. 4. There are more than 400 distinct phobias well recognized by psychologists. 5. Your favorite song is probably your favorite because you associate it with an emotional event in your life. 6. The type of music you listen to affects the way you perceive the world. 7. Spending money on others yields more happiness than spending it on yourself, a study concluded. 8. Phobophobia is the fear of having a phobia. 9. The key to happiness is spending your money on experiences rather than possessions, according to studies. 10. Romantic love is biochemically indistinguishable from having a severe obsessive-compulsive disorder.